What are we playing?
Dodgeball.
Oh, getting all the balls ready. It's Greg's birthday. Get it, Mackenzie. Get it, Mackenzie. Wow, this looks intense. Do you remember how to play dodgeball?
Yeah.
Jake wants to go jump in the pit. Oh, wow. This is quite the pit.
Jump off there, I guess.
Yeah? Or climb the ropes. Where's Jake? Being creative with how to get out. Look, I got sparkly socks. Keep going. Happy birthday, Greg!
Thank you. Thank you to all of you that have supported me throughout the years. I wouldn't be here without you. And Kelsey, thank you the most.
Thank you, Kelsey. Anytime, anytime. It's been a long time since I've done this. I'm so out of breath already.
Nice. Good job. I know.
Mackenzie's ready for takeoff. Mackenzie, how was that in the pit?
That was rough. But you gotta stay parallel.
Check out that handstand.
Whoa.
Beautiful.
My sock came off. I found it.
I've been out of the pit for like an hour, and Mackenzie's still in there.
I lost my sock. I had to like dig through like double dare.
Hi, Harrison. We're in the middle of a battle.
So we gotta be watching
Oh no, they're coming. Look at these battle wounds.
It's like
Holy cow. It won't even focus on it because it's so big. So what's your view of game time?
This is the most intense workout I've ever had.
I know, I'm really thinking, I'm like, they need gym passes here
They
because
have,
that kicked my butt.
monthly memberships.
It's awesome.